Hello everyone, how to do back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to start chatting with any character on Linky app. So you can find the character by searching here name, ID or other thing, or you can pick up randomly or like which type of character you want to talk. So you will find here romance, spicy, LGBT. So there are a lot of things in fan club. So I'm just going to choose randomly, like maybe adventure. You can type anyone. Then I'm just going to choose randomly, simply tap, then you'll get here. You just say it start chatting, so you can say hi, hello, something like this. Hi, and they send you message, they reply you. So this way you can start chatting with any character. So okay friend, today's normal, and see you in the next video.